Hi guys, in today's video I want to teach you how to use adjectives and verbs by using the. So let's do it. So if you want to add an adjective to a verb in English, you would say he drives fast, or she teaches really well, or I don't know, she sings really good. But in Chinese, you don't do that. You don't put the adjective after the verb. So this is the thing that you do. First, you need to use the word the. So this is the word that we use. So you would say, if you want to say, he drives so fast. So we have to first say he drives. First you have to say he drives. First the sentence without the adjective. He drives is ta kai che. Ta means he, and kai means driving, and che means car. So ta kai che, he drives a car. And then you say ta kai che kai de hen kwai. So you use the verb, then the, then fast, the adjective. So ta kai che kai de hen kwai. Kai means driving. The helps us stick the adjective and the verb together, and kwai means fast. Ta kai che kai de hen kwai. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and please subscribe.